Good day mga district, this is John again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, another application na naman tayo kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online. Dito nga pala guys, kikita ka by earning points, by taking surveys, answering quizzes and polls ng mga trending topics ngayon. At by the way guys, pwede ka rin mag-redeem dito ng donations through charity or cash. Since one way guys to earn money here is by answering survey, you can check the description section para makita nyo yung tips kung paano mag-answer ng mga paid surveys. Once naka-earn na kayo guys ng points, pwede nyo rin siyang i-exchange sa SM Voucher, Pure Gold, Lazada, Jollibee, Grab, Paymaya, another Grab voucher, prepaid load, pwede nyo rin siya guys straight sa GCash at ShopeePay. By the way guys, pwede rin kayong mag-earn ng points by referring a friend. So guys, kung gusto nyo gamitin yung referral code ko, nasa description ng video na to. And guys, share ko lang yung itsura ng mismong application. Kapag nakalagin na po kayo, ganito po ang itsura. May kita nyo yung earn points nyo. At yung mga ways na pwede kayong kumita ng earning. Kumita ng points. So yan, as what you can see sa quiz, pag dinate nyo, meron kayong 120 points. Sa mga hot topic, 120 points. Depende na sa inyo. Tapos pag click nyo naman tong profile icon, may kita nyo dito yung number of surveys, quizzes, hot topics na inyong nasalihan. Tapos dito may ledger, account, and more syempre. At kung paano mag-cash out guys, click nyo lang tong parang ticket icon sa baba. Ang ingay ng asong pagpasensyahan nyo na. So ayan, ipili lang kayo, tapos click nyo lang yung GCash, tapos claim, tapos enter nyo lang yung phone number nyo, and then ganun lang siya guys kadali. At syempre, app-reveal na tayo guys. Walang iba kundi ang Milieu Surveys na application. As what you can see guys, meron siyang 4.7 ratings kasi nga legit ito guys based on the App Store. So hindi ko lang sure guys sa may Play Store, pero you can check it. Available din naman po siya. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong. If you have any question, suggestion, please comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!